Reform Town Hall. My name is Andrea Miller, and I'm going to be the moderator tonight. And I would like to present our very, very distinguished panel here. We've got a few more people coming in, and most of our volunteers are making their way in. So the people that we have on our panel are Congressman Bobby Scott was kind enough to join us this evening. Congressman Scott is the representative from the Virginia 3rd District. So for many of you that are here from Richmond, your congressman is here and in the House. Congressman Scott is the only Virginia representative right now who is signed on to H.R. 676, single-payer health care. Yes, thank you. Not 111. Yes. We also have on our panel Dr. Well, I'm going in the order, not the order that they're on the paper, Dr. William Ferguson Reed, or as he is known to all of us, Fergie. Dr. Reed is a surgeon who was in medical practice right here in Richmond for 27 years. Not only is Dr. Reed a medical doctor, but Dr. Reed is also a community activist, and now that he is retired, he has devoted himself to becoming a healthcare activist. And as a healthcare activist, there are 7 of us that it is all that we can do to keep up with him. So may I have a round of applause for Dr. William Ferguson, who has a practice in Charles City. So she's very, very familiar with the needs of what's going on in the rural areas, and then she also has a practice here in the city. So one of the few doctors who really has an opportunity to see healthcare needs on both sides of the aisle, both rural and urban. So may I have a warm round of applause for Dr. Robideau. Next to Dr. Joseph is Mr. Charles Robideau. Mr. Robideau has worked with the unions for over the years, and one of the main issues that we always have when we're talking about labor will always be the issue of health care. So we have Mr. Robideau, who will be talking to us about some of the plans and comparing Plan A to Plan B. There are so many different plans that are currently going on right now in Washington. So he's going to help us try to get those as straight as we possibly can in our head. And then also we have a brand new person who is, you're new to Virginia, Brandon, right? All right, Ms. Brandon Keating. Brandon Keating is the new Organizing for America Virginia State Coordinator. So I forgot to ask for a round of applause for Charles Robideau. And then we also want to welcome our new OFA Coordinator, Brandon Keating. Now, we really, really appreciate everybody for coming out tonight. We have a lot of information, hopefully, that you're going to be getting, and hopefully everyone has their cards so that as we go through the presentation, if you haven't already written down a question, you will go ahead and be able to submit a question. So we are going to be talking about, and I go to a lot of healthcare events, we're going to be trying to make certain that people have the real information on what is single payer